There it is in all its glory. Honda, baby. Woo. Got its maiden voyage today. Ooh, look at them Brembos. Oh, look at mint. Got its maiden voyage today, like I said. Minnesota just has so much winter. They resalted in mid-April. It was so brutal. But that being said, we did an oil change yesterday, and it was not the quantity that came out that I would like. We were a little low on oil, so grabbed a compression tester here, and we're gonna check out the cylinders. Fingers crossed we're mint. God damn, these things are tight, boys. Listen to this. Please tell me that wasn't a strip. How in the world? Oh my goodness. Woo! Alright, we'll skip to them being done. Alright, so we got those out. We got 3 of the 4 because when you're working on cars, something always happens, right? That little bastard stripped out. But we'll do 3 for now. That'll give me a good idea of where we're at. Hopefully they're all close in range. I just unplugged the injectors at the clips there. Obviously I have those unplugged. And we'll get the gauge on and let's see where we're at. Quick intermission. Forgot to show you guys the goodies. Cylinder 4 is a little dirty, but there's no liquid on any of these. None of them are wet, and I think we're good in that department. So let's get back to the testing. Ooh, that one looks mint. Okay, that was cylinder 1. Mint again. All right, let's check 4. Oh Lord, please be good. Give me good news. Oh no, that's not good. It's not good. It's 150. The first 2 are 180. Give it another go. Made sure to give her 6. Did that do anything for us? Oh yeah. We're good. Thank God we are good. Oh my God. Whew. Not gonna lie, I was a little worried there. I saw that 150 and my heart sunk. I was like, not my car. Not the Honda, but not today. We're good. And I'm going to go ahead and assume with my faith and my love of Honda as a Honda daddy that cylinder 3 is going to be in the 180 range as well. So that leads us to a prime suspect right about there, my PCV valve. That is probably what's causing my oil loss. They're known for that when they go bad. Took it off, cleaned it, shook it. It did the little jiggle sound. But we're picking up a new one from Acura. I always pick up OEM horror stories from O'Reilly and AUTOZONE's reviews on those. People broke them off. They said at like 30 pounds of torque, they broke them off. Could you imagine having to drill that out? I'm already bummed out about this. Could you imagine if I have to deal with that? Oh my God-ish. But I guess last thing to do, just make sure when you're doing your compression test that you have your foot all the way to the floor on the gas, because you need that throttle body to be all the way open when you're testing your compression on that. But that's all I have for you guys today. So look forward to some more car content. I'm definitely going to a lot of cool car shows coming up, and it's going to be a blast. I'll do my best to make some fun videos of that. So until next time, peace.